Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, February the 6th, and a couple of things to cover with you. First off, if we take a look at the calendar, you see that we closed out last week. We were working on the team project plan assignment. That's project number 2. It's due today at 11:59 p.m. Several of you noticed that the Dropbox was not available. That's because for a group Dropbox to be available, I had to create the groups in the class. And so I had to go in, since this, the way we build this course is a team of professors and then we all copy it down. I didn't have your groups, so I had to go in and create the groups, rebuild the Dropboxes, and assign it to the groups, so they should be there now. And I'll show you that in just a moment. You also last week worked on the emerging technology presentation. That was part of your plan for project 2 that's due today, and that project is actually due next Monday, so you do have that to finish this week and exam 1 to work on this week. Now on project 3, the emerging technologies presentation, there's software called Camtasia, and that's what I'm using right now to record this video. It's made by a company called TechSmith, TechSmith, and the software is Camtasia, Camtasia, and you can download a free trial of Camtasia. There's plenty of tutorials on there. Once you get Camtasia installed on your computer, it's pretty straightforward. There's actually a demo that comes with the download that kind of walks you through how to use Camtasia. You can do a lot with Camtasia and create these videos where I'm cutting back and forth between me talking and the screen. You can edit only part of the screen. You can add text and you can transition and different things. So there's a lot you can do with it. I don't care if you use Camtasia. You don't have to. I am looking for a video that is uploadable to YouTube. In fact, I would prefer for you to upload it to YouTube and just submit a URL. So use whatever video recording tool you want to, but here's what I'm kind of looking for in a group presentation. I would love for each person to have a speaking role in the presentation. In the past, some teams have accomplished this by using voice over PowerPoint, and they would each take the file and go to their slides, and they would add in their discussion on the slides. That's okay, but you really need to think through how you're going to make those transitions real smooth from one person to the next. So for example, when one person finishes, you can introduce the next person. You don't have to have the talking head in the video the way that mine do right here, but that's just something to think about, is having smooth transitions. Also, you want to make sure that everybody's audio level is about the same. There's nothing more frustrating than watching a group video and you've got one person that's just blaring out their audio, and then the next person you can't hardly hear, so you're constantly up and down with the volume. So think through some of the technical things and then just take time to watch it yourself and watch it from the perspective of somebody that doesn't know what's going on and see how you did. So take a look at it that way as well. So that video presentation is due next Monday on the 13th. Also, today being February 6th, we're working on exam 1 this week. So let's show you real quick just where to find all of this. I'm sure you've already looked, but I just want to make sure you are comfortable in being able to find things. So here under Module 2, you see that there is now a Project 2 Team Project Plan Dropbox. And sometimes I use the word Dropbox because that language is held over from a update and before an update on D2L or the GoView system, and they used to be called a Dropbox. Now it's called an assignment. So if you see Dropbox, think assignment. If you see assignment, think Dropbox. They're the same thing. So you do have these now for your team presentation, your team submissions for the Project 2 and Project 3. And then down here below the bottom you have exam 1. So when you click on exam 1, it's available as of 1 a.m. this morning, and it ends next week at 11:59. You get one attempt, and there's I think a recommended 75 minutes on the exam. So if you have any questions about the exam, or if you're in the exam and it shuts down, or you lose your internet access, or you have some problems, just let me know, and I'll try my best to work with you. I try to be reasonable. I assume that everyone's being honest about things when they say they have a problem, and they're not just trying to find a way to get to retake the exam. So I try to give you the benefit of the doubt, unless I have reason to feel otherwise. So, good luck on everything this week. If you have any questions, let me know. And look forward to looking at your team project plans, and look forward to getting your team projects in next week. Have a great day.